How to renew Fidelity bond online with Bureau of Treasury. I'm going to tell you how to renew your Fidelity bond online with the Bureau of Treasury. First, go to their official website fbms.treasury.gov.ph. This is the Fidelity bond management system. If you already have an account, just log in. If not, you'll need to register using your personal details and agency information. Once inside, click on Renew Bond and select your existing bond from the list. Update any necessary information like office assignment or salary, then proceed to upload required documents if needed. After that, the system will generate your billing statement. You can pay online through Landbank, Link.biz, or follow the payment instructions provided. Once payment is confirmed, your renewed bond certificate will be available for download within a few days.